We've been working all day trying to get this damn tree stump out of the ground. Little backhoes won't do it, so we got the guy with the big excavator here. Should make easy work out of it. Here's where one stump got pulled. Hell of a root ball. He's using that thing and that one.
Think we could have got it?
No. I mean, maybe we would have been probably digging out. We'd be down a few levels. You gonna pull it towards him?
I think he can pull it over this way.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we didn't. That's where there's a lot of roots. We didn't dig out yet.
Look at the clam on that thing. Look how big this clam
There's Greg over talking to the operator. Yeah, this is making some easier work out of this project for sure.
Yeah, baby!
Each scoop's about a ton or two of dirt.
Those deer's got some beef to them.
Yeah.
Looks a lot bigger now.
I would have Felt bad if that stump would have got him. You must have dumped that stump up over there that got my truck.
Yeah. Well, he said
It's a lot easier work out of it. Yeah. I mean, look at that thing. How close to the mother and father tree did they put the gold coins?
well, yeah, that's
He's gonna fall over now.
double stumps. That big crater with the swimming pools over there. That's what the crater
was. He's about got all the roots cut. And that tree should be ready to go over with one push with that excavator. Jim and I would have been digging all week on this with the smaller backhoe, so that makes light work out of it. All right, which way is he going? That's how you take care of that. Yeah, I did. One taproot. hell of a hole now.
Well, it'll take us a day to fill the hole.
I was gonna say. Let's make it a goldfish pond right outside the new house.
Go this way.
Look at the size of that root ball on that tree. The tree was all hollow. So it would have come down eventually, probably right on the new house, so it's a good thing we're getting it out of the way. This site right here is for the new house.
Party, everybody got the phone out.
Even closer road coming back this way. He was going down the hill. Passing me. I was like, I got him on the phone. I'm like, turn your ass around.
Is that Eddie or who is it? Gotcha. Well, it looks like he got it out of there. Made easy work of it. Well, he had a tough time. Probably the wrong bucket for it, really. Yeah, small with some teeth. Across the road twice.
That thing's got to weigh 20,000 pounds with that root ball and that log.
2 days ago. And then
I would sure think about 15,000, 20,000.
Yep.
Brand new machine, but he's got a bunch of things on there.
Oh, well, when you're doing this kind of work, it's so hard. It's so easy to touch your controls. Forget what you're doing there you go.
He's rolling it right over to the burn pile.
Damn, they're deep enough.
Kind of hollow that tree is. See if he can pick it up. Greg, how much do you think that weighs? 15,000, 20,000 pounds? The root ball and the, how much do you think that weighs? 15, 20,000?
Oh, probably 6,000, 8,000.
gonna say about 15,000.
Oh, not near that high.
No?
Ask ChatGPT how much it weighs.
There you go.
Take a picture of it.
Yeah.
All in a day's work. Just found a little medicine jar or something in the dirt here. Still even has the plug in it. The cork. Not sure what would have been in it, but it's kind of cool little jar.
You're the guy on the skid loader beating up this rock, huh?
Yeah.
Just think if these trees could talk.
Little jar
Oh,
had a
God.
cork in it
Been
still.
around a long time.
Skipping yoga class.
Well, that timing was perfect.
Is that the, oh, that's
I don't know what
Sorry,
that's from, but
Oh, that looks like an
I
ashtray.
just left
that's
here.
what I was
went
thinking, or
across
like
the
some
road to
type
check
of
out the
like
lot.
Yeah.
jar
Grandma-
cap or
Well,
something.
Grandma used to have it. Oh yeah, or a lid top to it.
Yeah, some type of
Idlewild did that big view. It's kind of
ashtray or lid. I don't know. They were just laying out there in the dirt.
Well, I
Usually
threw a couple
they'll
bottles
stop.
that I found out. They're on my front side. They were okay. They were. You can have them if you want.
I'll just set that with your other ones, or
I know, it was awesome. It was so good.
given day. It's hard to say. We get into a little bit of everything. Look at the size of that hole where that tree was.
When Randy comes back, I wonder how the fuck got that out of there. Just saying. Oh, we're digging all night. Kept him going all night.
That's a nice truck.
He loves that truck.
I like that color though. I've seen it on a Toyota.
He likes that color.
I like that color.
What about the wheels?
I like those
I love
too.
the wheels.
I like them.
It's just got the wheels.
Is that a 25? That truck?
Yeah.
So, Chevy or Ford? Which one's better
That's-
now?
Well, I can tell you the answer. It's an absolute definite. This truck is stronger.
Okay.
It's 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, and the Rams and the Chevys are only like that little over 1,000. This has 500 horse, and Rams and the Chevys only have like 450.
What do they call that color? Is it a blue or a gray?
Oh,
They always come up with all the fancy names now for all the different
Having
shades. And
having an exterior detailed tomorrow, and I'm putting her away. Got all this Burning Man dust on the bottom.
yeah, she
Can't
does.
get off.
Well, okay, there's another day in the books. Helped my cousin get that tree out and clean up doing some more stuff, getting ready for his new house build. I'm gonna go home and get some dinner. I've had enough fun for one day.